back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Anitra Latrice, and you already seen that thumbnail, so you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Luv Me Hair. They sent your girl over this gorgeous natural beauty, and honey, she is so easy. You can put this on in less than a minute. So if you are interested in seeing just how super easy it was to put this unit on, stay tuned and I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and a coupon code. What's up, y'all? So we're about to get into this amazingness right here. Do y'all see these curls? They are curling, and I'm absolutely here for it. I'm absolutely loving that this unit also has breathable cap, you all. Breathable cap, so you're able to get to your scalp with ease. So let's go ahead and put this cutie on.
I'm through every turn.
All right, this unit does fit ear to ear on my head. Look at that, she's a little cutie. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and clip her down, make sure she don't move nowhere, and we're gonna clip their hair back so we can get into this lace. So next, let's get into this lace, but first I want to show y'all how the hairline is looking. The hairline is looking pretty good, so we're gonna go ahead and cut the lace.
The world feels wrong. They say history repeats itself.
We have the lace cut, so next let's get into the lace. We're gonna go ahead and melt this lace down. So we're gonna use my Nairobi setting lotion, and we're just gonna put it around the hairline. Next, we're going to get my strap, and we're just going to lay these edges down. I'm gonna bring it down some, okay?
Rearrange and transpose, but it's always the.
All right, so while the lace is melting, we're gonna go ahead and get into these curls, and these curls looks good right out of the box. I don't want to disturb them, but we're going to separate the coils that's in here. All right, let's separate these coils.
Piece of my heart, lovers have come and lovers have gone, but you still feel like right when the whole world feels wrong. They say history repeats itself, but a memory is for the shelf. Well, I replay the moments and years of our lives while I'm praying and hoping there will always be you and I. Over the years, the troubles are brought, over the fears, the you and I, over the joys, the love and the wind, over the sun, you and I, over the rainbow, the house of the wise, over a dream always in.
Alright, y'all, so we have her fluffed out for the most part. She is fluffed out, so now we're going to see how this lace is looking. She look good, y'all. Boom, and we done. We are done. Look at that. Isn't she cute? She's cute. She's a great just throw on and run out the door to run some errands, or if you want to go to church, anywhere, this unit got you. She is super duper cute and extremely easy to put on. You can literally put this on in less than a minute. For the first time, it'll take you a little longer because you're trying to get it to your liking. So fluff it out, play with it, cut on it a little bit till you get it to the shape that you like, and roll out. Because she is cute, just like this, right out of the box. She's absolutely cute. And the more that you play with her and fluff her out, the bigger she gets. So if you like big hair, just keep fluffing her out, and you can get it how big you would like it. So I'm loving her. She's a cutie for sure. And let me show you the back.
Shelf. Well, I replay the moments and years of our lives while I'm
want to have in your wig rotation. She is super duper cute, and she's 100% glueless. So you can take her off daily and put her on every single morning or every time you want to get out or just look cute. You can put her on with ease. Now, it is a 5x5, but we're going to shift her so you can see how she looks on the side. We're going to unclip this side. Oh, look at her. I like this. I think I like it better on the side. Yeah. I think I like her better on the side. Look at this. Okay, and we're going to fluff it out some more. Fluff it out some more. Look at that. I think I like her better on the side, y'all. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments which side you're liking. I'm liking her more on the side than in the middle. The middle is cute too, but I'm thinking it looks even better on the side. So we're gonna keep her like this, okay? We're gonna keep her like this. We're gonna keep her like this, and we just gonna, let's see, let's do the cut here and there. Okay, okay. Look at her. Look at her, y'all. Look at her. She looking good. She's looking so cute. I am loving this. Okay. Cute. Really, really cute. I am loving this. I'm loving this. This looks really, really cute on the side. But yeah, so this is her, y'all. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. She's a cutie for sure. So before we get into the details of this unit, you know they sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over a Luv Me Hair baby hair comb brush combo. They also sent over a Luv Me Hair silk scarf wrap, a Luv Me Hair bonnet, some wig caps, and a Luv Me Hair drawstring bag to help store your unit in. So let's get into the details of this unit. This is a gorgeous, natural, coily, curly, glueless 5x5 closure HD transparent lace wig with a breathable cap. So honey, let's get into it. I am wearing this in the length 16 inches, but you do have the option to get it in a shorter length at 14 inches. This unit also can come pre-cut at an additional cost. So let me tell you some more about this unit. This is 100% human hair. The color is a natural black and the density is 150%. The lace area is 5x5, which gives you the option to part it on the left, the right, down the middle, or do a C part as well. The lace on this unit is HD transparent lace. Like, you can't tell me you see the lace, honey. This unit also comes with an adjustable band and adjustable straps to help give you that glueless effect. This unit is 100% glueless. Take her off daily and wear her with any occasion. This unit should last you 1 year or more depending on how you care for it, and you do have the option to dye this. So if you want to put a little highlights up and through here, you do have the option to do that as well. So if you want a gorgeous natural beauty, switching it up is everything with a Luv Me Hair unit. And there you have it. I would like to thank Luv Me Hair for sponsoring this video, and if you are interested in this cutie right here, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well, so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. If you are interested in seeing what else Luv Me Hair has to offer, make sure you check out that next video, and I'll see you over there.